I think partnerships in the industry are becoming more and more crucial in everything that we do, right? At the times where companies could be very monolithic in the approach of IT and just do it all for their customers or all do it themselves, I think they are long gone. Working in the new set of IT where everything comes out of different directions but has to be integrated at the point of delivery to the end customer, that's a crucial factor where you need more people and more companies to work together.
Exactly, and also what we are saying is that the complexity is rising and the time where you need to react on this complexity is also accelerating. So you need in fact to combine domain and not work anymore in silos. And from the facility management we have deep expertise, and we need also to join forces with Atos on the IT part. And together, then we can bridge the communication between these two domains, which are key when you want to improve the efficiency of your data center.
There's so much pressure on the CIO in main customers with all the things that are happening around cloud, utilizing more external resources, customers coming in, demanding more consumerization of IT. Something needs to be simplified, right? So for most of our customers, getting more grip on their information, on their data center as well, is essential to simply survive and to make changes happen faster. From my point of view, fast is getting more important than big. And this is a real shift in the paradigm at most of our customers, where we used to work on scale. Now we want to be fast in everything that we do. And with that, I think customers are driving us to come together, work on it as a one integrated platform.
But it is a long run perspective. So we want to do it in an integrated process and in the long term, constantly, meaning also that you need to know and understand what is the set of priorities of your data center. And this is why we need both expertise. We cannot think just in silos. We need now to see it as a whole. And we used to talk, and we are talking when we talk about data center, about the factory of the 21st century.
Clearly, customers are looking at ways of simplification of everything that they need to change in the IT. We need to stop being passionate plumbers. We need to start being business support teams. And in order to do that, you need complete information about what is going on in the IT infrastructure, not only at the server virtualization application side, but also integrate that further into the capabilities of the data center and the capabilities of the resources that you utilize. And I think this is what most of our customers are trying to combine now, where they might have done that separately over the last few years. They are now really pushing us forward in making that combination happen.
We too, with our companies, with our competence, we meet at the rack. And this is what we understood and that we want now to push further.
There's one big trend in everything that we do at the moment, and especially in the data center area, what we see is speed. Everything that needs to be done now actually should have been done a half a year ago, and that's what's delivering most of the pressure for our companies, for the customers that we work with, is make sure that we really implement now instead of continue to think and reevaluate. Move into action, and that's what for us is the main driver in most of the things.
And also what you see is major trend is that you need to manage this complexity. You need to have automation coming much more into the data center. You have it already, but you need an umbrella. You need to see it as a whole and not just on a technological point of view, but also integrating economical aspect, environmental aspect. So in fact, what is most important is to prioritize your priority.